Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to install and add Torrentio on Stremio step by step, so let's get started. First, click on your browser and type Stremio.com in the search bar, then press enter. Now click on the download button and wait for the file to finish downloading. After the downloading is complete, open the downloaded file and click on install. Once the installation is complete, open Stremio and you will see the Stremio interface on your screen. Now click on the Addons tab and type Torrentio in the search bar, then press enter. Click on the first website result and scroll down until you see the Install Web button. Click on it and it will automatically redirect you to Stremio. Now click on Install, and within a few seconds you will see that Torrentio add-on has been successfully added to Stremio. After installing Torrentio, you can search for movies or TV shows and start streaming with multiple quality options directly inside Stremio. So that's it. If you like this video then like, subscribe and press the bell icon for updates.